Okay, first we are going to read this paragraph. Three very important things on earth start with the letter W. They are water, weather and wind. Means the three very important things on earth, that is water, weather and wind. Understand? Now we are going to read this paragraph. Where does water come from? Water is all around us. Do you know where it comes from? Do you know where it comes from? If you said ocean and river, then you are right. If you people said water come from ocean or rivers, then you are right. But how does it get into the oceans and river? Anybody tell me that? कि ये ocean और river में कैसे जाता है? Okay. Turn the next page. Okay. If you said from the sky, then you are right. But how does it get into the sky? If you people said that water come from water come from the sky, that is right. But how does it get into the sky? Sky पे कैसे जाता है? कोई पाइपलाइन लगी हुई है क्या? That is a question. So, to find this question, I will show you one video. So watch this video. After that, we will come back and start reading.
Water is all around us. But where does it come from? Let's find out. Click on the water to see it rise. The sun heats up the water in rivers, lakes, and oceans. The heated water rises into the air. The heated water cools and forms small water droplets. The water droplets make clouds. Now click on the clouds. The small droplets of water in the clouds join together and form larger droplets. Now click on the large water droplets. The large water droplets fall to the ground in the form of rain. When it is cold, rain turns to snow. Rainwater fills the ponds, lakes, rivers, and oceans. This is known as the water cycle, and this water cycle continues. Click Next. You have learned.
So all of you enjoy the video? Now we are going to read this paragraph. The sun heats up the water in rivers and lakes and oceans. The heated water rises into the air. When it cools, it falls to the ground. Again, this is known as the water cycle. Understand? Okay, now I will explain you the whole process of water cycle. Okay, where does water come from? As you all know that water comes from river and oceans, but it involves a cycle which passes from oceans and rivers to the sky and then back again. Means पहले कहाँ से स्टार्ट होता है? ओशियन रिवर से स्टार्ट होता है, फिर स्काई पे जाता है और फिर दोबारा नीचे लैंड पर आ जाता है. Okay, now we discuss the whole process of water cycle. The sun heats up water in the oceans, which rises into the air and cools down to form clouds in the air. Then these clouds cool further and become rain, which fall back to earth and refill oceans, river again. This whole process is known as water cycle. Understand? First, this water turn into gas form and rises up into the sky. After that, when it's cooled down, form clouds, and after forming a cloud, it fall again to the ground. Now I will show you one video that clears your concept more, so enjoy the video. After that, if you have any question regarding this topic, kindly inbox me. Okay kids, today you have to do this activity given on page number 35. In this activity, you have to take a saucepan and put some hot water in it. Mark the level of the water in the pan or a container and leave it for a day or more. You can observe it, the water level reduce every time to check. It is because the water is evaporating through the container all time, but you can't see it evaporating. Understand? So do this activity and must send me your videos for this activity. This activity carries you 5 marks. Understand? And if you have any problem and any question regarding this topic, kindly inbox me.